Tired of waiting 10 minutes just for a pot of water to boil on that old, sluggish hot plate? Or maybe you just don't have the space for a massive range in your apartment or outdoor kitchen. You don't need to renovate your entire counter to get a serious upgrade in cooking speed and cleanliness. This is the Karinear 12-inch, 2-burner electric cooktop. What makes this one stand out is that it's a 120V plug-in model. Most cooktops this size require heavy-duty hardwiring, but you can literally pull this out of the box, plug it into a standard outlet, and start cooking. It's perfect for a small studio, a basement kitchenette, or even a covered patio setup. Because it's a smooth, ceramic glass surface, it solves the biggest maintenance issue. It doesn't trap grease or food particles like a coil stove. When you're done, you just wipe the flat surface and you're finished. Now, how does it handle cooking? It uses sensor touch controls, which gives it that sleek, modern look. It also has a built-in timer, which is a lifesaver if you're prone to forgetting about the pasta while you're distracted by other things. Safety-wise, it's got an auto-off feature for over-temperature protection and a child safety lock, so you don't have to worry about the settings getting bumped while you're cleaning the counter. What I really like is the flexibility. You have 2 different size zones, so you can manage a small saucepan and a larger skillet at the same time without them feeling cramped. Before you grab one, just keep a few things in mind. First, while it's convenient, it isn't as powerful as a 240V stove. It's plenty for day-to-day meals, but don't expect it to sear a steak as quickly as a professional gas burner. Also, since it's glass, you'll want to be careful not to slide heavy cast iron across it, as you don't want to scratch the finish. So, is it worth the money? If you're limited on space or just need a secondary burner that's easy to set up without an electrician, this is a great value. If you're a pro chef who needs high BTU output for complex cooking, this probably isn't for you. But for everyone else who wants a clean, reliable, and compact way to cook, it's a really smart solution. If this looks like the right fit for you, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, share it with someone else hunting for kitchen gear, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, deep dives.